Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm so sorry to everyone that I pushed for Trump and Elon to get in office. That was a fucking mistake. Bitcoin is sitting at 77,000. We just went to 76,500. I warned everyone a few days ago and I closed at 87,000 up here. With my video, it got like 70,000 views. I closed at 87 and we just dropped all the way to 77. The problem is I started adding to my trades at 80, 77, 82 I added. I didn't think it would just continuously get destroyed. The volume a little bit increasing, but not by much. And this is not just the crypto markets. This is also the stock markets. Donald Trump completely destroyed the entire market. You can see here I've got 104,000 followers on X. This was me warning everyone 2 days ago. Emergency trade up, all Bitcoin, Ethereum, world unit closed. Bear market is here 2 days ago. That was at 87K. Now we're at 76,000. It's a $10,000 drop. Remember when Trump took credit for the stock market under Biden? Now they're blaming Biden for the stock market crash.
Too much winning. We can't take it anymore. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Tesla stock down 48% since I sold 3 months ago. I'm buying DCA on these supports. Next one, 193. However, I started buying at 350, 300, 260, 238. So I'm actually getting destroyed also with my buyers, which is not beautiful. This is when I sold at 430. Selling my Tesla here, it was the end of 2024. We're going to make 100 billion by increasing tariffs. Proceeds to destroy trillions of dollars of wealth. The art of the deal. This is fucking crazy. Anyone else would be better than this. Tesla was down 15.4% Tesla. Ethereum 6%, Doge 6%, Uniswap 6% down, Solana 5%. They're all just, Doge is at 15 cents. It was at 50 cents when Trump took office. Ethereum was at 3,500 when Trump took office. Tesla was at 430 when Trump took office. Uniswap was at like $12 or $15. Solana was at $260 when Trump took office. World was at like $1 or $2. People are just shocked by what they're seeing. Google was down 4%. Google was $200 something when Trump took office. Meta down 4%. The Nasdaq, this is the US top tech companies, down 4% in one day. One of the biggest drops on record. It's crazy what's happening. Over 1.7 trillion in value wiped out of the US stock market today. Trump's portfolio loses over $300 million. There is 4 weeks between these. And I invested in this company, World Liberty. 4 weeks between these screenshots. 387 million. Now they're worth 75 million. Crazy destruction to the market. Stock market is getting destroyed. Tesla was down 8%, and it didn't stop. It kept going. It was down 15% by the end of the day. Just destruction in the markets. My account also getting hit pretty hard because I opened trades on Bitcoin. You can see where I started to activate trades. Yesterday, this is when I warned everyone to sell. I warned everyone in my video 86,700. I warned everyone to sell. This was the video where I warned everyone 2 days ago to sell at 86,700, and then we just dropped massively from there in the last 2 days, and it just kept dropping. I added trades here at 81, 82. 79. It just activated a trade just a few minutes ago at 77, but we're just falling further down. My Bitcoin trade is now already 8K in the negative. It's a 2 Bitcoin trade. It's adding as it's pulling down, but it's not looking good for the markets really. Like Tesla down. Tesla is massively destroyed. We're talking, it's not just Tesla, it's the entire stock market. But just Tesla, since I sold at 430, but say since Trump took office, since Trump won the election, it's down. Tesla is down 54%. And it's just destroying all supports. We came down to 20. It's actually at 218 in after hours. So it even came down further. Looks like 193 and 138 are in play. This is destruction to the markets. I've never seen anything like this before. Who remembers when that prophet the guy who predicted Donald Trump getting shot in the ear said there would be a Great Depression after Trump takes office. And that actually happened, where it looks like we're entering a Great Depression. It's not just Tesla. You have to understand this. This is like destruction in the markets no one's ever seen before. It's trillions of dollars. Like alone today, it was $1.7 trillion from the market. But we're talking 5 or 6 trillion wiped out since Trump took office, which is just crazy. I added Bitcoin yesterday, but that was not a good idea. It's just free falling. Target of Bitcoin would take us to 79, 72, 69 is also possible. And you have to understand the market is just getting wiped in the stock market and the crypto market. 790 people voted. What's the low on Bitcoin? 40% said lows are in, 39% said 60K, 13% said 40K. And you can just see the market is reacting to this. Like everyone is panicking, like TradeFi giga nuking again. It's in futures, the market is also dropping. Coinbase was down 17%. Mara was down 16% today. MicroStrategy is down 17% today. It's just like crazy destruction in the market. And you can see everyone, like how it's reacting. 3 days ago, I warned everyone, hopefully you listened, but I still started to enter trades too early. I've got my Bitcoin trades now. You can see where I've got them set. I've got at 72K for another half a Bitcoin. I want to also set at 69K. That's the previous bull market high. I'll add half a Bitcoin. We don't know how low this gets, everyone, so just keep that in mind. So now I've got trade half a Bitcoin 69K, half a Bitcoin 72K. And I had a trade at 75K, but I think Bitcoin is just going to nuke through it. It's just dropping like crazy. And I've got more orders for TON at $1.10. TON is sitting at $2.30, 11% drop even on TON. Crazy drops. Look at this. From when Trump took office, where I sold TON, luckily where I sold everything. But since it's just free, the market getting annihilated. Bitcoin, Doge is down to 14 cents. 2 days ago, I warned everyone about Doge to sell at 20 cents, and now we're at 14 cents. It's crazy. I've got buy orders for Doge at 10 cents and 5 cents. And I think it can really go that low, to be honest. TON, Uniswap, I warned everyone we sold Uniswap yesterday at 3 days ago at $7.20. Now we're at $5.50. And when Trump took office, we were sitting at $14, and now we're at $5.50. It's really crazy what's going on in the market. Doge also massively dropping. Ethereum, I had a trade at 1800, but I canceled it, which was a good idea because Ethereum is just dropping. This is where I sold 3 days ago at 2200, and we're just free falling since. Sitting at 1750. I've got a trade at 1500, but the markets are going crazy. I want to modify. I don't want to enter any big trades. I want to DCA down on small lots. 5 Ethereum, half Bitcoins, TON even 10,000. I want to modify. That's at $1.10. But I want to modify these. We don't know. We're entering a Great Depression according to that guy who predicted this actual drop. Order quantity, I want to buy only, say, like $2. So it'll be $2,500 worth. Same here. I only want to get $2,500. I want to DCA down. So I've got, you can see all my orders going lower. Ethereum, TON, Doge, Uni, $4.70, $3.50. Uni's at $5. So it's going to activate this $4.70 trade. And I want the same, $4.70. I want to only do $2,500 lots as we come down, because we really don't know how bad this will keep getting. So I'm going to modify these trades to be smaller lots. So pick up 1,500 uni at $4.70, 1,000 uni at $3.50, Bitcoin at 69K, Bitcoin at 72K for half the Bitcoins. I could add one. Uniswap down 13%. Crazy drop in the markets, really. I wasn't expecting this. I'm very sorry for thinking Trump and Elon knew what they were doing. It was much better under Biden, to be honest. Like, this is crazy. Like, he wiped out gains. We're talking about the entire bull market gains wiped out in 1 month, including the entire stock market gains. Tesla gone in 1 month. Like, we're talking years of movements up on Tesla. 1 year of growth wiped out in 1 month. Crazy time. Be cautious out there. Make sure you're DCAing down. I do think we're entering some mega depression I don't think this can recover so easily. It wiped out trillions. We're talking 5 trillion has been lost from the market since Trump took office, and it doesn't look like it's going to recover anytime soon. This is very, very dangerous. I don't really know I've never seen this before, ever before in 24 years of trading. I've never seen this. GFC happened, like global financial crisis or big crises, but they happen in one night for a big reason. It's not that the markets just dump every single day, every day for a month because they fear the president is like a retard, and it's crazy what's happening. So be careful, everyone. DCA down. You don't know how low this could go. No one would have expected, if you told people, I sold at 430. The high was $500 of Tesla 1 month ago. If you told people that Tesla would be $200 1 month later after being at $500, no one would believe you. Thank God we sold at the top at 430 and we're DCAing down, but I still lost a lot even just DCAing down because it's getting so brutal. So just keep that in mind. So if someone told you Tesla was $500 1 month ago, 2 months ago, and it'll be now $200, no one would believe you. So if you said that Bitcoin is $100,000 1 month ago, maybe 30K, no one would believe you, you know? My prediction that we won't go under 60K didn't take into account that Trump is completely destroying the market. So be cautious out there. Make sure you DCA down on major supports. I will be buying Bitcoin, Tesla, Ethereum on those supports you saw, but just keep in mind, you don't know how low it could go. We could be entering a Great Depression like that guy predicted. If you remember, he said at the beginning of Trump's term, there would be a Great Depression. That's actually what's going on, which is crazy. He predicted Trump getting shot in the ear, Trump would win, and then there would be a Great Depression. I listened to him a bit by closing positions. It was already, everything was at all-time high, so it was a warning to close positions anyway, but not such a drastic drop. I'll DCA down, taking a big hit, but if we manage to buy well on the bottoms, but you don't know how low it could go, so make sure you DCA down low. We could get a rebound and make good money, but be warned, this can get very, very bad. It is already very bad. $5 trillion loss in 1 month. You're talking like this has never happened before. The crypto market's dropping so much and altcoins like this. Very, very dangerous. There's no precedent. I've never seen this before. GFC had a 50% drop like this, what we already had, but it bounced back. It was like, because of big news, it was in one night. I've never seen before. It's just people don't trust Trump. They don't trust Elon. It's like panic in the markets completely. So be very cautious out there. Bitcoin, crypto, they're speculative assets, so they can go down very hard. So just keep that in mind. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Stay safe out there. Keep cash. DCA when it gets very low, when there's peak capitulation. And right now, it doesn't seem like we're getting much of a bounce at all. So Bitcoin can easily test the all-time high of 2021, which was 69K, which is already a 40% or 50% drop from the highs when Trump took office, which is crazy. Love you all. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.